What's up everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we are taking on a beast of a ride, a destination that's been on my bucket list for ages. The legendary trails of Mount Parawagan in Rodriguez Rizal. I've heard so much about this place, the challenging climbs, the technical descents, and of course, the absolutely breathtaking views. Let's roll out and see what Parawagan has in store for us. The journey starts right here at the base, and already, the energy is buzzing. The initial part of the trail is a mix of paved roads and light gravel, which is a great way to warm up the legs before the real work begins. You can already see the rolling hills of Rizal surrounding us. It's early morning, the air is still cool, and the sun is just starting to peek over the mountains. This is my favorite time to ride, just you, your bike, and the promise of an epic day ahead. Alright, we're hitting the first major ascent. They call this part of the trail the Enly Assault for a reason. It's a relentless climb on a mix of loose soil and rocks. My heart rate is definitely up there, and my legs are burning. But this is what we came for, right? The key here is to find a steady rhythm, keep spinning the pedals, and just focus on the few feet of trail in front of you. Every push forward is a small victory. The trail demands your full attention, forcing you to be completely in the moment. It's tough, but man, it feels good to be out here pushing my limits. And just like that, after what felt like an eternity of climbing, we've made it to one of the iconic viewpoints. Just look at this. Wow, all that hard work, all that sweat. It's all worth it for a view like this. You can see the entire expanse of the Sierra Madre mountain range from here, with the Wawa Dam nestled down in the valley. It's moments like these that remind me why I love mountain biking. It's not just about the physical challenge, it's about earning these incredible rewards and connecting with nature in such a powerful way. Let's take a quick breather here, refuel, and just soak it all in. And that's a wrap on our adventure to Mount Parawagan. What an incredible day. We conquered the climbs, savored the views, and absolutely shredded the downhills. My legs are toast, I'm covered in dust, but I've got a massive smile on my face. Rizal, you've been amazing. Mount Parawagan is a true gem for any mountain biker looking for a solid challenge and an unforgettable experience. Thank you so much for coming along on this ride with me. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss the next adventure. Let me know in the comments what trail you think I should hit next. Until then, keep riding, stay safe, and I'll see you on the trails.